Today we'll talk about how can you enable new events notifications on your SeatGeek app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on your events, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, you come to show notifications, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here new events notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.